If you want to be centrally located in San Diego, it is hard to beat Mission Valley. We're here at my new listing in the Mission Plaza condo community, and wait till you see all of the features that this home offers. Here are my top 5. Number 1, the complex amenities are off the chart. It's got 3 pools, 2 hot tubs, gas barbecues, a clubhouse, a gym, sauna, basketball hoop, tennis and pickleball courts. And best of all, you get a nice view of the pool directly from your patio. Number 2, it is perfect for having friends over because this unit comes with 6 parking spots. So you can have several friends over for a barbecue and relaxing day at the pool, or walk on over to Snapdragon Stadium to check out a game or concert. Number 3, the unit itself is beautifully updated and ready for you to move in, featuring quartzite counters, stainless steel appliances, luxury vinyl plank flooring, and central AC for those hot days. Number 4, the home also offers an incredible layout where both bedrooms are on opposite sides for maximum privacy. And number 5, we're tying it all back to the convenience of being centrally located in Mission Valley. You've got quick and easy access to the 15 and 8 freeways to take you to the beach or anywhere you want to go in San Diego in just a short drive. Plus, you've got a tremendous variety of shopping and dining options close by as well. If you know anyone that's wanting to own a condo that is one of the best values in San Diego right now, contact me today.